Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Roblox if it's crashing on iOS. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to fix Roblox if it's crashing on your Apple product? Well, stay tuned because this video is for you. So we are now in the Roblox help page and it says here iOS app technical issues. So general troubleshooting is, first one you can do is to force close your Roblox app. So yeah, just press the home key twice on your device, swipe up in the Roblox app preview panel to push it off the screen and close it. Tap on the Roblox icon to open it back again. So you can force close your app. The second thing you can do is to reboot your phone, right? If you're having issues with Roblox crashing on your iPhone, just reboot your iPhone. It should work. Number three, you should uninstall and reinstall the Roblox app. So it's kind of a bit of a drag, but you need to do it. You could uninstall Roblox, reboot your phone, install it again, and that should work. Another way is to clear your Roblox cookies. So just clear your Roblox cookies caches, and you should be good to go. And last one is check your date and time. Open your device's settings app, find your time and date settings. Make sure that the date and time are accurate. If they are not, update them and try Roblox again. So yeah, those are the ways you could remedy with Roblox crashing on your iOS device. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.